actually installs into there. You see that? What you then need to do is take your little tool and click it in there, and then you need to flick that out carefully. And this second SIM card actually sits across. The issue I had, these SIMs were slightly different sizes, and I couldn't get that SIM into that slot. But when I tried the other one, the Telstra one, well, they're both Telstra, but one I could get in there and one I couldn't. So that goes back into that slot there, which is actually, it's the shape and size of a SD card, mini SD card, and that SIM is the size of a micro SIM card, but you'd put it that way. And so what I'll do, I'll put this SIM back into there. Make sure it's in place. And it'll come on again. The beauty of this, I have a work SIM and a personal SIM. Oh, that's a bit dirty, I'll just give that a quick clean. And I can use the one phone for both SIM cards and both applications.